Ag my god, sien. This is not good, this is not good, this is not good. Woo! So I'm here in Swellendam for a wedding. Actually my cousin's wedding, and yeah, had a nice camp last night, and yeah, wedding starts about at 3, so I'm quickly heading out to the Breede. I know there's a nice stretch of river which is accessible not so far from here, so I'm gonna give that a go. So yeah, we have the yak here as well, so quite looking forward to it. I just arrived here at the river. It looks incredible, so I'm hoping for some clear water and yeah, some nice fishing, because I'm really keen to do sight fishing today. Not sure, let's just see how the water looks here. Yeah, the typical tea color of the Breede River. I think it would do. Just have to be on the lookout for those crocodiles. Ooh, on. This will be my first bass on the 4 weight. On a streamer that I tied last week. Nice little largemouth. Ooh, on. What an awesome fish. The struggles of a kayak fisherman. Getting up rapids. We are clear. Now, the top part of these rapids look very good. So, definitely gonna give a few casts here before I continue on up the river. I've been able to do some decent sight fishing, but I guess that is hard in this water coloration. That is a good cast. Don't want to blow my own whistle here, but yeah. Oh, he missed it, but he is there. That was a nice fish. That was a nice fish. But he completely missed the fly. On. That was awesome. That was awesome. Don't want to lose this fish in this grass. Really need to shake these grass. Oh, what a bass. I'm shaking. On the new reel fly fishing origin reel. Thinking about this fish, but look at that bass. Look at that bass. What an incredible fish. I'm not gonna go to my boat now to get a weight on this fish, but yeah, I'm incredibly stoked with this fish. What a bass. This is as wild as you can get. Although not endemic, still a wild fish. Very stoked. Let's release him. There we go. There is one area of the river that I still need to check out before I head home. But it's quite a few kilometers worth of rowing, so yeah, just getting going so I can get there. Also some rapids in that area, so yeah. That's a big carp on the 4-weight. That's a big carp on the 4-weight. There's the second run. Full weight is not made for a fish like this. It's just not getting tired. Don't want to force him too much.
One eternity later.
Sure, what a fish. What a fish. I'm incredibly stoked with this fish. On a little green and yellow streamer. Yeah, that fight was probably like 15 minutes on that little 4-weight. Very stoked with that. Let's release him. There we go. Ach my god, sien. Oh, this is not good, 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 this is not good. Woo! Woo! That's a great end to a very good fishing session. Sure. Okay.